Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here and welcome back to more RC video reviews from my favorite spot at Stadium. I am holding an SST Racing 1/10th scale RC rally car. SST Racing claims that their on-road, off-road rally car, this very rally car in my hands, can do 120 km/h maximum speed. Big claim to make here, people. Big claim, because I see a very small motor in there. Anyway, we'll put that claim to a test later, very soon, not later. For now, let me quickly give you a closer look at this rally car, and then batteries are fully charged. Radio is here, which is a Fly Sky OEM radio, 2-channel GT2, I believe, and we'll give it a drive right away somewhere on the open road and see how fast we can go. Unfortunately, at the moment I don't have my speed gun, nor I have any GPS tracker, but hey, we will go with our guts, with our feelings, because I know what 120 km/h feels like, or how, or if you see an object going that fast, you will know. So let's take a closer look first. It's really a nice and solid built RC car. On the website it says this is 1/10th scale, but when you take it outside the box, or when you look at the box actually says this is 1/9th scale, so I'm not sure what to take it for. Nonetheless, the shell is really cool, kind of Subaru WRX, I mean that hunchback car, if I'm not mistaken, kind of Subaru, very familiar looking shape and shell. Let me show you what's inside or under the shell. That's what we are concerned about. So when you pick up the shell, right here you have the guts of the car. We have a metal chassis frame, okay, the bottom plate is completely metal. I see some more metal parts here. We have metal towers, front and rear. We have metal and plastic, metal caps with plastic, oil-filled shocks, kind of big bore shocks right here. We also have a bumper on the front. They said this is high engineering grade material they use to make this car, so it can withstand lots of shocks, I mean lots of accidents, crashes, bumps, and humps and jumps probably. The motor is 3300 kV motor with a small heat shrink right here. Come on, people. ESC is 45 amp ESC, but the tray they provided you is big enough to take up to 80 amp ESC should you want to upgrade this little rally car. You have to upgrade the central transmission as well if you upgrade your motor. Receiver is nicely tucked in here. There's the on-off switch here. Nothing else to describe. There's a 2700 milliamp 2S battery. I do have a 3300 milliamp battery, which may give me a little bit more drive time. I love the nice look on the wheels here, and these are soft rubber grippy tire for on-road and off-road driving, because it's a rally car. However, it will be more fun if you change these tires into drift tires. You can go drifting with this car. Some cool drifting. Not sure how the ESC motor will feel, but hey, that's on the agenda, and that's one of my plans, that I will actually turn this into a drift car, and we'll see how it goes. Enough for the quick look. Let's get it ready and see how much speed we can get on this rally car. Okay, everything is ready. Let me turn on the radio and turn the RC car on and see how much fun we can have with this one. Okay, steering is reversed. Nice going, SST Racing. Okay, alright. Throttle seems to be fine. Steering dual rate, I will put it to full. And steering trim, I need to set. Looks good. Let's have some fun, shall we? Oh, it's already drifting, people. Oh, it's already drifting. Why are you drifting? You don't have drift tires. Does it look like 120 kilometers to you? Full throttle, people. That's full throttle. So SST Racing, I believe that looks like 50 kilometer, maximum 60 kilometer maybe, but definitely not 120 kilometer. But hey, I can actually drift with these tires, which is a good thing. Who wants 120 kilometers an hour? Because a crash at that speed, you are going to lose your beautiful rally car. But drifting, that's what we're talking about, man. On road, it shoots faster, yes. But here on these tiles, it is beautiful to drift. Hey, don't hit my car, please. Ooh, boy, I'm actually having fun drifting it, huh? Definitely, it is not 120 kilometers an hour, people. See, that's a pass at full throttle. I would say it's barely hitting 60 kilometers. But hey, drifting is fun. That's what we are talking about. Will it drift on off-road? That will be fun to see some dirt flying. Woo, nice drifting, man. Looks cool. I mean, this body actually looks really nice and cool as well. Alright, that was tiles. Let's see the performance on road, shall we? So on road, it should have more grip and it shoots faster. Let me do the steering trim a bit right. Okay, a bit more speed on road here, but hey, I will say it's barely hitting 60 kilometer mark. Not bad. It's good for kids, actually. Kids can still control it very well and they can have a lot of fun. Sweet. Handling is really nice on this car. Handling is superb. Just awesome. Handling is awesome. Yeah, I can hear the wheels screeching. That's nice, man. Sweet performance. Yeah, on road it shoots faster compared to the tiles. Hey, I will say this is fast enough a speed, man, not bad. But definitely, please, do not claim that this is 120 kilometers an hour car. Definitely, this is not 120 kilometers an hour, maybe 60. That would be the right claim. Man, you gotta give it to it. The handling of this car is superb. And after pulling this much throttle on this car, drifting around, it is still didn't, you know, hit that protection for the, you know, overheating. Let's just check it out. You see, fine. Oh, I can even touch the heat sink for this long time. Nice, it's not heating up. It is definitely not heating up. So, that's a good choice right there for the power combo. That gives us more playtime, more fun without overheating. Awesome. That means you can actually put on the drift tires and enjoy drifting. But hey, it's already drifting without drift tires. So, here we go again. Nice. I mean, people, it's fun to play with off-road cars. But hey, then you have to go find off-road places, right? You gotta drive outside the city, find some off-road places. But with the on-road and rally cars, you just find yourself a road and have fun. I mean, you can have this fun literally anywhere, anywhere. You don't have to even come to the stadium side. All right, let's see if we can do that. Do this. Nice. I'm feeling the throttle is dropping now. Definitely battery is getting weak. Ow, I hit myself. Yeah, battery is going, so let's not tease it. So, SST Racing, I'm gonna totally ignore your false claim of 120 km/h just because this car is absolutely fun to drive on road, and it drifts very well as well. So the amount of fun it's bringing me and the way I'm driving is not overheating, I'm gonna ignore that false claim. The real speed of this car is probably 60 km/h or less, not more than that, but absolutely a fun car. And having a rally car, as I mentioned, you don't have to go find off-road places. Just find yourself a nice open road, you can have fun. I do have one more battery, and guess what? I want to see how well it behaves off-road. So, let's go to our favorite spot. Alright, my favorite spot for testing my electric paramotor and off-road cars. No dirt today, to my dismay, to my sadness. I was expecting some dirt to fly, but recently it has been raining. Hey, let's just test and see how it behaves off-road, because it's a rally car, so we have lots of off-road here. Let's do it. Oh, don't hit my DI-DRX there. Alright, let's see how it performs off-road, people. So far driving, the shell is hitting the stones, and it rips, starts ripping. Oh, we got the wrong place, people. We got to the wrong place. It's not designed for stones, it's designed for off-road rally. Nice. Still ripping some sweet, nice speed there. Oh, we gotta replace the front bumpers, people. Some repairs coming up soon. I'm gonna tear that thing away. By the way, SST says we got stuck. Sorry, SST says that it's waterproof ESC. I'm gonna simply bruise the plate down there. Got it stuck this time, people. This time we are turtles. This time we are turtles. I come to rescue. I'll just keep it here. It's much more rally type place. So we'll just drift around, throw some stones to ourselves. Okay, one wheel got stuck. What happened? I don't know. Maybe a stone. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, it actually will drift really nice now. This is definitely not the terrain for this RC car, but how well it's handling it, I'm surprised actually. I'm probably gonna destroy something on this car. This is not very smooth. So we'll conclude that it does drive off-road. Check it out. That's what I was talking about. Ew. Stones, people. Okay. Yes, I have broken the front bumper, as I was saying. It's broken. Very big crack here going all the way here. It will break definitely. So I'm gonna just glue it or tape it. Sides are broken. Back is fine. This side is fine. Awesome. Not a serious damage on the shell either.